Rob Frazier here. Here my kiddo, so if you hear someone telling me to throw rocks and stuff. But just wanted to shoot a quick video. Haven't done one in a while. Haven't updated my YouTube in a while. A lot of things been going on, especially especially if you watch the news, with the thing that's floating around. Just part of the reason why we're not doing my gym or the trampoline parks or anything like that. We're out here in nature, kind of just burning off some steam, or as that song says, shake my wiggles out, especially for the little kiddo. But just wanted to talk about a couple things. Hey kiddo, back on the trail, dude. Just wanted to talk about a couple of things, a couple of focuses that I'm going to be focusing in on in 2020, and especially with the way things are going. So number one's going to be covering affiliate marketing, basically what I've been doing to maintain a six-figure year income no matter what's happening out there. Number two, well, actually affiliate marketing is broken down into two aspects. You have affiliate marketing in the biz op space, and then you have affiliate marketing in the generic sense. And when I say generic sense, I mean more so like e-commerce, selling things off of Amazon, things along that nature. The affiliate marketing in the biz op space is more so your direct sales type opportunities, even network marketing, things like that. So that's going to be the one major focus. And the second focus, hey kiddo, stay on the trail, dude. The second focus is going to be marketing for local businesses, helping local businesses generate leads, because especially now, they're going to need it. Especially a lot of people are going to be getting a lot less customers for whatever reason. A lot of people are talking about the recession is being here now, and a lot of people are already feeling the pain with the thing that's going around. So all of that being said, those are the things I'm going to be focusing on my channel. Up this way, dude. Those are the things I'm going to be focusing on, really getting into. I do a lot of how-to videos, but I'm going to start doing maybe mindset, theory, that kind of thing as well. I know my channel kind of hits a limit when I just talk about just how-to, because only a certain amount of people will check it out. Anyways, those are things I'm going to be focusing on. If you haven't already subscribe to my channel, go ahead and do so. Leave your questions, comments, concerns below the video as well. But yes, affiliate marketing, the biz op space, generic affiliate marketing, and marketing for local businesses. And I'm going to be just covering it all on my channel. So make sure you subscribe, tap the little bell for notifications, reach out to me, and I do respond to all my comments. Maybe not in a timely fashion, but I do. So name's Rob Frazier. Subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one.